Technology has enhanced our quality of life. We can now travel and live comfortably anywhere in the world. But you know, life throws you curveballs. But what happens when your backup plan doesn't supply enough power for your needs? Your air conditioner requires about 80 amps to start, but most home generators and solar inverters don't produce that much power, leaving you in an uncomfortably hot situation. EasyStart is a remarkably intelligent device designed to optimally start your air conditioner with 65 to 75% less power, allowing you to start and run your air conditioner when you otherwise couldn't. EasyStart then monitors and protects your air conditioner from potentially damaging conditions, including power interruptions and brownouts, saving you from costly repairs down the road. Now, if that's not enough, our customers consistently comment on how much quieter their air conditioner is when using EasyStart. Sleep comfortably, my friend.